In a saturated market of earbuds competing for attention, OpenRock S2 arrives as a refreshing standout, combining thoughtful design, athletic performance, and uncompromising audio in a sleek, open-ear format. Whether you're on a trail, in the gym, or navigating a busy city, the S2 offers a unique listening experience that blends comfort, situational awareness, and premium sound. The OpenRock S2 isn't just an evolution, it's a redefinition of what open-ear earbuds can achieve. With cutting-edge audio, ergonomic innovation, and thoughtful features like camera control and health tracking, it hits a rare sweet spot between performance and versatility. The latest Bluetooth 6.0 ensures rapid pairing, low latency, and stable connections. Even better, multi-point connectivity allows simultaneous connection to two devices, seamlessly switching between phone calls and media without manual pairing. The OpenRock S2 looks as good as it performs. Its sleek composite film finish creates a dynamic 3D shimmer under flat lighting, while the pebble-inspired charging case offers a tactile, speckled surface that's both stylish and easy to grip. Each unit features a subtly unique pattern, adding a personal touch to an already premium product. One standout feature that active users will love is the built-in remote camera control. With a quick press of the earbuds button, users can trigger their phone's camera to capture photos or videos. No need to fumble with your phone during a hike or ride. It's a subtle yet brilliant feature that turns the S2 into a multifunctional companion. With up to 8 hours of continuous play and an impressive 32 hours total with the charging case, the S2 easily powers through extended commutes, training sessions, or travel days. And when you're short on time, a 5-minute quick charge delivers 1 hour of use, perfect for last-minute outings.